Today I'm showing how the edging is done on Isolde's Thorn neck warmer. And you begin with colour 2. I'm using just some scrap yarn for this little sample piece just to demonstrate the technique. But you attach that in the very first corner. This is your bottom edge of the neck warmer I'm showing here. Right, so we slip stitch across one row end, if you get the right colour. There it is. Now I work 3 single crochet, and the 3 single crochet will always sit in one of these valleys in your main colour, centre of your main colour. So 3 of those. And I'm working in US terminology. Next step is to work 4 treble into this line here between your dart colours. So it's always central of your dart. So 4 treble here. Those 4. Now I need to work a picot, and the picot acts in the centre of the shell almost like a chains would to create a little gap, so we don't need additional chains. And this is a very simple picot. You just chain 3 and then slip stitch into the first chain created, and that has created your picot. You work an additional 4 treble into the same space. And then work a further 3 single crochet into this center valley of your color 1. And then we've created a shell in the center which sits center of our dart, and that is repeated right across the entire end rows. If you were talking UK terminology, we'll be talking double crochets here, and here would be double treble crochets. So simple and easy. And this is what the finished edging